到这个网咋回事？连的时候是好好的，然后就是准备播了，它开始出这了。
现在没问题吧？
哎，
对，先别按。
好啊。咋回事？你一来它都听话了。Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome to Henan JINRUI Food Engineering Limited Company. Welcome everyone, welcome. I know that here China is in the morning, a sunny day, very good weather, but I don't know where you guys live in. So today let me introduce about our companies. We are the Doing Holdings Limited Company, and in this company we have Henan JINRUI Food Engineering Company Limited Company. And look at here, our company is a big company that it did some equipments like the cassava starch or cassava flour and so on. And today I will tell you guys about Garri equipment that the Henan JINRUI Food Engineering Limited Company have. Okay, so let's continue. Here is my office looks like. Here is our office looks like. And here is the factory. Factory is near to our office, but this factory is a little far. It's about 40 minutes car ride. And here is a new factory. And this is our company. This is the company that I stay in. Its main products is sweet potato starch or potato starch, and the cassava processing line like a Garri processing line, fufu processing line, or cassava starch, cassava flour, and like so on. We all have it. So if anyone is interested in the cassava processing line, please leave a message in my commentary. Okay. Here is our company's main products. And look at here, they are our workmates in the overseas warehouse. It's named the Nigeria warehouse. The second photo here is our Nigeria workmates and our salesperson. They have a photo together. So is anyone interested in our equipment? Please leave a message in the commentary. We are the Henan JINRUI Food Limited Company. Thank you. And the bottom two photos here are our salesperson with Nigeria, and Africa customers. Okay, so the other company follow in the doing company. It is the edible oil processing line. Edible oil like the palm oil and the soybean oils, like this kind of oil processing line. So if anyone is interested in this company's equipment, you can also type something in my commentary. Okay, thank you guys. And here is another sorting plant. It is a solid hazardous waste treatment and sorting plant. Okay, and here is the metal and plastic separating machine. Look at here. This is a big processing line. So here is our ISO certificate. Don't worry about that. Oh, you're from China. Are you sure your equipment are good? Okay, so please look at here. Look at the bottom photos. We have a overseas warehouse in Nigeria, and there is also have another company in Nigeria. So don't worry about our equipment, because our equipment are sold from all over the world. Here is the national patent. And here is the factory living show. Hello everyone, we are the Henan JINRUI Food Limited Company. Welcome. And then here is our team show. He is our boss. And they are the international trading team. They are good at English or Russia and many different kind of language they all have. They are the e-commerce IT team. And our engineering team. So don't worry about our equipment, because we have our own engineering team, like them. And the factory team. Yes, we have big factory near to the Zhengzhou. Our company is in the Henan province, Henan Zhengzhou province. So our factory is only 14 car ride to the company. And here is our project cases. Look at here. We not only sold our equipment in China, but we sell the equipment all over the world, like Indonesia and Thailand, Philippines, Australia, many different countries. They all eat cassava or sweet potato starch. Here is our project cases. Hello guys, we are the Henan JINRUI Food Limited Company. So if anyone is interested in the cassava starch, cassava flour, potato starch, sweet potato starch processing line, please leave a message in the commentary, okay? Let me know that you are interested in our company. And anything you want to know, I can introduce it to you. And here is our customer visit. They are all over the world. And the delivery photo. Look at here. We all use the wooden box to pack up the machine, or the little machine, or the other thing. And this is factory installation. Look at here. Okay, so today I will introduce about our Garri processing line. Okay, Garri processing line. And let's look at this photo. Let me introduce it for you. Garri production line. So you know that in our company we sell the Garri equipment for many years. Like we are beginning at 2011, and we are sell about this kind of machine or equipment for nearly 10 years. So don't worry, let me introduce this for you. First, it will be the feeding hoover, and in this picture it not shows feeding hoover and the belt conveyor to pillar, cassava pillar, and then go to the grinding machine for make the cassava to the small pieces, and the screw conveyor, and then it will go to the fermentation under the sunlight. But now we have the new machine that it's 3 big tank. It can make your fermentation be more, it can save your fermentation time. It's really good use. And then here is a hydraulic press to press out the water in the Garri. And then it will go to the Garri firewires. Our Garri firewires are very amazing. After this introduce, I will have a 3D animation for everyone. You can see more details about this processing line. And here is the crusher. And look at here, we are the factory direct sale. And our delivery is very fast because you know that we have a warehouse in Nigeria. So if you are in Nigeria or you are in Africa, if you have time, you can go to that company to have a look at our equipment, and also you can talk with the native person about our equipment. That's very fun. And we also have professional R&D team and elaboratory craftsmanship, of course. Here is a whole processing line using this kind of equipment. So first, cassava into the dry sieve to friction the impurities on the surface, and then go to the paddle washing machine. This is use the water to clean the cassava. And then the Garri cook must be peel the skin on the cassava, right? So here is the cassava peeler. And then go to the grater for make the cassava to the small pieces. And then go to fermentation. If you don't need the tank, this fermentation will be continue for 2 or 3 days. And then go to the hydraulic press to press out the water in the cassava Garri, and the hammer crusher to make the cassava cake into small to finest powder. And then go to the Garri firewire, and then go to the vibration sieve to make the fineness of your Garri, and then it can be packer, and the packaging Garri can be sold. It's this processing line is very automatic, and you needn't use too much laboratory cost. And here comes the advantage of the cassava making machine. washing machine like this. Here are many pedals in this machine. The pedal will push the cassava to go on. And here is a pillar. You can see that here is a roller, and the sandpaper will cover the roller. To make sure the cassava's skin can be friction through this sandpaper roller. No, maybe it is a roller covered with the sandpaper. That's right. And if you want to change the sandpaper, it is very easy, because here in this side have the lock of the roller. You can pick the roller very quickly and change the sandpaper. Here is a Garri firmware. Hello everyone, 欢迎 welcome. Garri firmware. Here is the two shafts in the firmware, and one is longer, one is shorter. So this shaft can make the Garri be firmwares more separately. And also, if you have any question about our machine, or you want to ask how much is this machine, or you can leave a message for me in a private way about your WhatsApp number or your contact number, okay? Thank you guys. Here is the Garri firmware, and this one is the old one. Here is our new one. Also, here is the grinding machine, the new and the old one. We all use the new one, like this. Grinding machine, and here is a peeling machine. Hydraulic press. Welcome everyone. Here is Henan JINRUI Food Limited Company. Our company is making the cassava flour, cassava starch, and the Garri, fufu, potato starch, sweet potato starch, like so on. So if anyone want to know more details about this processing line, please type anything you like in the commentary, okay? And also here is the equipment we sell to the Africa. There are many different kind of people from all over the world come to our company, and we will introduce the benefit or the efficiency one to our customer. And we can see here is our office, and here is our factory looks like. And our service like this. Our customer are over 2,000, and the exporting country is nearly over 13, and technical engineer is over 15. Provide technical support about 24 hours. Yes, I'm now is a technical support. Here is the certificate. Okay, so everyone, is anyone interested in our equipment? Please call something in the commentary. Okay, so here is our 3D animation about the cassava Garri making line. Okay, so say this again. We are the Henan JINRUI Food Engineering Limited Company. Our company is in Henan JINRUI Province, and also if you are interested in the cassava processing line, or cassava starch, cassava flour, or the potato starch, and the sweet potato starch processing line, you all can contact me in the commentary, okay? And then you can see the cassava will fall into the dry sieve. It can save all the water or the impurities on the surface. And then it will go to the washing paddle washing machine. And in this machine, in the paddle washing machine, I want to introduce about the water. The cassava will go in this way, and the water will come to the cassava in the negative way. So here, it will not broken the cassava to the pieces. It can be protect the cassava from the broken or anything. So in this machine, the cassava will not broken about 99%. And then here is a pillar. We can see here pillar, it also comes the water in the pillar. And here is a sandpaper cover the roller. It will rotary very fast to clean the cassava and make the skin of cassava be more good. And then here is the grinding machine. But if you have okay, you can choose this one. This one is the cutting machine. The cutting machine is our very hot project because the cutting machine uses the 4CR13 blade to cut the cassava into small pieces, like 3 to 5 centimeters longer. Okay, let me drink some water. And the small pieces will fall in the hopper. Welcome everyone, here is the Henan JINRUI Limited Company. And then you can see this five thing. It is a demagnetizer maybe, and it will be make the mental impurities out. Here is the elevator for make the cassava go to the higher, and then go to the tank. Okay, so in here, if you say that I don't need tank, I want to just fermentation under the sunlight, that's okay, right? But if you use this tank, it will save your time. under the sunlight, it need to take 2 or 3 days, but in this one, these 2 tanks, you only need 24 hours for waiting. And then the cassava will go to this kind of machine. And here comes the cassava cake. Cassava cake need to be pushed to the very finest fiber. And then go to the Garri furnace for shake it more separately, and you can see there is our shaft looks like one thin and one is longer. Hello everyone, we are the Henan JINRUI Food Limited Company. If you are interested in our equipment, please leave a message for me. And here is the hydrocyclone. And also, we use this one to packing the Garri. Okay, so here is our whole processing line. If anyone have a question, please ask me, okay? And we can introduce this for 2 times, for several times, it's okay. So, our company named the Henan JINRUI Food Limited Company, and also you can choose anything in this processing line. That if you have a small budget, you can choose the cutting machine or grinding machine. It's all okay. We can all provide it to you. Okay. And also the hydraulic press. We also have the free filter press or the hydraulic press. It's all okay. It depends on your budget. Let's introduce again. Here is the dry sieve. Dry sieve is a big drum. It will rotary, and then the cassava will friction together to make sure that on the surface the solid will be friction, and the solid and the impurities will get out in here. Okay, here is the impurities. And then go to the paddle washing machine for washing the cassava. And it then will go to the peeler machine. Like I said that before, this machine has many sand roller in it, but you know the roller is only roller. We cover the sandpaper, so it will be very easy for change the sandpaper. In this side it have lock, So if you want to change the sandpaper, you can only just open the lock, and then it will be push out the ruler, and then you can change the new sandpaper on it. And then here is the cassava. Okay, so in here you need to know in here is a cutting machine. It can be very efficiency, and it has 4CR13 blood. It is like what we eating use the knife to cut the vegetables or meats. It also uses this kind of material. It is 4CR13 stainless steel to cut the cassava into small pieces like this. So if you want to change to the grinding machine, you can also change the grinding machine here. And also here is a grinding machine again. Grinding machine to make the cassava to the small pieces, right? And this is the small pieces, so the grinding machine need to make the small pieces to the very small pieces. And then go to the elevator. Here is 2 tanks. Tanks is a mean used for the fermentation, and if you want to make your fermentation time be a little shorter, you can choose these 2 tanks. But if you said that you don't need to change, you only want to make the fermentation under the sunlight, it's all okay. And here is the press. So here comes cassava cakes. And we use the grinding machine again to make the fineness of the cassava. Garri. And here is the shafter Ferris, Garri Ferris. The shaft is one short and another is longer. It will be shake the cassava into very separately. And then go to the shacklon. Hello everyone, we are the Henan JINRUI Food Limited Company. Our company's main products are the sweet potato starch or potato starch, cassava starch, cassava flour, processing line. If you want the single one machine, we can also sell it to you. Anything you like, we all have. Okay, so let's see this picture about our company. Here is the cassava feeding hopper, like the first in the 3D animation. Here is a feeding hopper, and under the feeding hopper here have a dry sieve. Here is a vibration sieve to vibration the cassava on the belt conveyor more separately, and it will be go on the belt conveyor to the feeding hopper. This is the belt conveyor used for the material transportation. And then go to the dry sieve for impurities removal from cassava surface. Yes. Then it is a paddle washer. Paddle washer, if you said that you only want only one slot, like this one, you can choose this one. But if you said that I have a lot of cassava need to be cooking, so you need to choose the 2 slot one, like this. And then here is the cutting machine. It was used for pre-crushing of cassava. Yes, the cassava need to crushing for two times, because this equipment can only cut the cassava into the small pieces, like 3 to 5 centimeters. And see another one. Here is the second stage of the crushing. And it named the rasper. Rasper like a big drum, and a big drum have the many blood in the surface. So the blood is made of 65 mm material. It's one side worn out, the other side can be also used. So I think this is our hot one named rasper. Hello everyone. My little children named the Henan JINRUI Food Limited Company, and in our company we mainly to have the equipment structure. Hello, is anyone here? And also over this equipment. There are the demagnetizer. The device is inserted about the rasper to filter metal and iron blocks, better protecting the soft flat of the rasper. And in this rasper, here is a big drum. It can rotary for 2,000 rounds per minute. And this one is a centrifuge sieve. Centrifuge sieve, this one is only using in the cassava starch. And also the potato starch, sweet potato starch, they all use the dry sieve. No, they all use the centrifuge sieve. And the separation of liver and slurry is carried out by multi-stage washing and screening to ensure the extraction rate of the starch. Hydrocyclone. This one is also used for the cassava starch. So if anyone is interested in the cassava starch, please leave your message in my commentary, okay? Yeah. This hydrocyclone used for separation the impurities and the protein or the cell liquids in the cassava starch. And in this step, you can also choose the color you want. You want the yellow one or the white one, you can choose in this cyclone. And we suggest you to use 18-stage hydrocyclone to ensure high purification of the starch process, protect and reducing starch loss. So this machine is very good to use. Oh, this one is vacuum dehydrator. Vacuum dehydrator. Oh, what's the name of this machine? This machine is mean using for the dewatering. Because in this machine here are many little tubes on the surface, and through it turn around, and the starch will be fall into its surface. Flash dryer, it is used for flash drying and also the flash drying, and also used for Garri. No, Garri don't need this. Garri use the Garri Farrier, flash dryer. It is use the negative pressure drying to reduce material loss. Yes, and also this use the negative dryer. It can be more good. And we also use the plus tube design. One thin tube and one another is thick. It can make the material in this tube be more slowly to passing by. Hello everyone, welcome, because we are equipment making factory. So if anyone need or like our equipment, please leave a message in here. Okay? And the sieving machine used for separation of colorless powder, ensuring fineness of final starch product. And here is our electricity control cabinet. You can see here are many things to touch. And if you want to this cabinet, please call us, okay? And we use this design for the machine open or close, and the worm is hot or cold. Here is the cable bridge. Okay, that's all. Here is our company's looks like. And also we have the 3D animation about how to make the Garri. Also we can also make the fufu. So let's look at this fufu processing line. Okay, so fufu processing line. Here is the overview of the factory. First of all, we use a lift to put the cassava into the feeding hopper. And under the feeding hopper here is a vibration sieve. It can sieve out the cassava's it will be avoid the cassava into avoid the cassava to go mass on the belt conveyor. Here is a dry sieve machine. And then go to the paddle washer. It will be washing the cassava more cleaning. And go to the peeler. Peeler will peel the cassava. And then here is the grinding machine. You can choose the cutting or grinding tool machine you like. Or you can choose the hammer crusher. Here is the rasper. Rasper in here, it is to make the cassava tube to the cassava milk. And go to the pool. Here is a descender. Descender is using for make the sand or little stone out. Okay, so here is 4 tanks in here. And here is hot water going the tank, so it will be save your time. And here is a film filter. It can also be pushed out the water in the cassava milk. And here you can also choose the hydraulic press. Hydraulic press, you know, it is a big hammer like this. You can choose this. And then here is a grinding machine, grinding again to make the cassava cake into the finest powder. And here is here can make the cassava fufu be more drier system. Hello everyone, we are the Henan JINRUI Food Limited Company. In our company, you can see many different kind of equipment. Like here is a fufu processing line. And also, I will said goodbye in 10 minutes ago, in 10 minutes later. So if anyone have question and want to know where we are, please tap 1, okay? Tap 1 in the commentary. And here is the vibration sieve to sieve out the powder in the cassava. And the packaging. Here is a PLC cabinet. Yes, here is a PLC cabinet. It can make your machine open or close and can save your laboratory cost. Yes, so here is the fufu processing line. Is anyone interested in this processing line? Please tell me, okay? First, the shaker will shake the cassava on the belt conveyor. And here we introduce about the Garri processing line. Because I know that you guys like the Garri most. Here is the washing machine for washing the cassava. And then go to the belt conveyor to put the cassava into the peeling machine. It will peel the cassava skin. And then go to the cutting machine to cut the cassava into the small pieces. And then here is a grinding machine again. It will be grind the cassava to the very small pieces, very finest pieces. Hello everyone, if anyone is interested in our equipment or our processing line, please type a number, type 1 or type 2 in the commentary, okay? Let me know you are interested in it, and I will send about my WhatsApp number. If you want to go to China, we will welcome you. After the tank, here is another grinding machine for make the cassava cake to the cassava powder, Garri. Here is Garri fireware, 2 shafts, and also our fireware are 2 layers too. The bottom of the work, it is 2 layers. 2 layers. 1 layers between the 2 layers. Here is the gas to make the work be more quickly to be warm, to be heating. And the 2 shafts can separately make the Garri be more drier, and then it will be pulled out. And web efficiency to make your Garri fireware be more finest. And then go to the packaging machine for package for the ready one. If anyone here want to know more details about our company, please tap your WhatsApp number maybe. And my live stream will go to end in 5 minutes later. So is anyone interested in our company's equipment? We are the Henan JINRUI company, and our company means sell the different cassava starch, cassava flour, or Garri fufu, and potato starch, sweet potato starch processing line. We can sell the whole processing line to you, and also we can sell the only one machine. And we have many projects in Africa, like the bottom photos, like Liberia and Nigeria, or the Middle Africa. Here's country have our customers, many our customers. and grinding it again. So is anyone interested in our equipment? Please leave a private message for me, okay? Leave a private message for me. And if I see your WhatsApp number, I will contact you soon. Our company is in the Henan JINRUI province, China, Henan province. China, Henan JINRUI province. Our company is near to the transportation or the airport. So if you come to China, we will ask our salesperson to ride our car to make you to looking our equipment, looking our factory, and it's all okay. And here is our furious. We also have the many different project in the Nigeria because we have a Nigeria overseas warehouse. So is anyone don't have question? I will go out. Okay, so bye guys. Wish you have a good day. Or wish you have a good night.